Math 102, example 2.8.2. Let's see another application. So here we've got a right triangle. So let's draw a right triangle. There's my right angle. Here we are told that the longer leg is 20 meters longer than twice the length of the shorter leg. So here's my shorter leg. Let's call it x. So the longer leg then is twice that plus 20. We are then told that the length of the hypotenuse is 30 meters longer than twice the length of the shorter leg. So that's going to be 2x plus 30. So we have a right triangle. Let's use the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c squared is that hypotenuse. So I will get x squared plus 2x plus 20 quantity squared equals 2x plus 30 quantity squared. So there's the equation. Now my problem has no mention of the word maximum, so unlike the previous problem, I'm not finding the vertex. I am just solving this equation. All right, let's start squaring things out, and let's rewrite that as a quantity times itself, just so that we can see our arithmetic a little bit more easily. So I get x squared plus 4x plus 40 plus 40 plus 400 equals 4x squared plus 60 x plus 60x plus 900. Remember, to solve a quadratic, we do need to have a 0, so I'm basically going to move all of the terms on the left to the, or on the right to the left-hand side, and that will give me x squared. 40 plus 40 is 80, 60 plus 60 is 120, so 80 minus 120 is minus 40, and then 400 minus 900 is minus 500. Now, as always, you can use the quadratic formula. It will certainly work. I'm going to factor just to save a little bit of time and space, but again, both methods are completely fine. So I need numbers that multiply to negative 500 and add to 40. I'm going to use 50 and 10 with 50 negative and 10 positive. So my answers are positive 50 and negative 10. Now in a story problem, a negative answer generally does not make sense, so I'm going to cross that out and keep just the other answer. So that is the shorter leg is 50, and that's in meters. Now we did want all three sides. So the longer leg, that was 2x plus 20, so that will give me 120 meters. And my hypotenuse, I'm going to write just h by p for short, that was 2x plus 30, and that will give me 130 meters. Again, always make sure that you thoroughly answered whatever question you happen to be given.